Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. It is Thursday, March 7th. Hope everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. We have another special unboxing to do today. Another Amazon Prime. You guys can check them out. The link is going to be down below, where you can get one of these at a low cost and see what other goodies they have to offer. And we're about to find out what this is. There we go. This side to cut. There we go. Oh man, falling out. There we go. We got it. Alrighty, YouTubers. This is the Soliom solar wire-free camera. I'm not going to hook it up outside today. I'm going to show you the inside where it could be used as indoor security cam too. So it's just too cold outside right now to hook this up. But you can mount it to your garage, anywhere, a shed. Really cool. Finally, solar cameras. I've been wanting one of these, because these are definitely nice ones to get. And I do believe they got a good deal on them going on right now. So let's check out the link when you guys got some free time and take advantage. There we go. Alright. Let's see what all the cool features it could do and how easy of a setup it could be. Like I said, it's brutal outside right now. And they said I didn't have to hook it up outside, so it's weatherproof, 1080p, night vision, motion trigger, so that's really good. Oops. All right. Dun, 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 dun. Here we go. The future is now. Holy moly, that's pretty cool. It's like some James Bond technology. Alright, let's see what goodies they got. That's empty. There we go. Alright, here's all the good stuff. Brackets and all that. Here's a screwdriver. Boom. Boom. And we got the mounting bracket for the outside. Go. Should be easy setup. Got the USB to charge it up, and it is a really good battery they have. But look at this thing. This is really cool. Kind of looks like a drone. It definitely has a really good battery life too, so you don't have to worry about charging it. And then it's going to be Soliom. There, Wi-Fi. Alright. We got these in there. UNICEF. And yeah, I think this covered the USB somewhere. We'll figure this out. And then got the master key reset. Got the screws. I already showed this part. Alright, here we go. Let's see what I can do. I got my phone, my backup phone. Or this is my main line. We're using my 8 Plus Galaxy. That's a 9 Plus. So here we go. I gotta find a USB to charge it, just in case, but hopefully it's good enough charge right now. Where do we stick it? Oh, there's that thing. Boom. There's where the USB goes, and the micro SD. Put it up in there. Here we go. So just gotta stick it. This is really tiny. Definitely a nice camera. Really happy with this. Look at that. Got the nice solar panels right there. Because I want to get one on my side of my house but I didn't have an extra socket out there, so this definitely helps. See, there's a reset goes right by the USB, so right second one there. That's right around right in there. That one. There we go. All right, let's see what else. I gotta find the app because there's a QR code. Okay, we got the USB, we got the bracket, expansion screws. Oh, you can use a tripod. It's not included, so you can find them cheap though online for the tripods. All right, here's the connecting. Okay, there's an app for the iOS and Android. So we'll do that really quick. Go on my Play Store like so and type in SOLIOM. There it is. Boom. Install. That was pretty fast. Right on, right on. Alright, open. And it's going to ask you to allow. Boom. Okay. Alright. Let me turn this thing on. So you just want to remove this. Just be careful, you don't want to scratch it. Boom. And then I believe somewhere is the power button. Yep. Give me 1 sec, I'll be right back. Alrighty, my mistake. I believe that's the batteries right there. So, but over here is the power button. Just gotta push it in. It talks. Oops. There we go. Light is out. Alright, she's about ready. Put you guys down. There we go. Alright, let's see what this can do. I'm gonna go to the app. Soliom. Go right here. There we go. Should be able to compare it. Earth. All right. Okay. Ah, there he goes. I do believe it's this one, the EC. But hold on 1 sec. All right, here we go. Now we go hit add device. We could add device shared by friends. Set up device. Yes. Oops. Alrighty, YouTubers, we got it going. Come on, focus. You'll hear that noise. There we go, we got it going. It took me a second to figure it out, but really simple. Oh. Alright, let me pause this. Alright, now it said I added it successful, so that's what pops up. You want to hit that. Oh, sweet. Hey, that's pretty good quality right there. Nice little camera. And it is wireless, so definitely really sweet right here. Look at that. Oh, phone's down. Make this fast, but really easy to set up, guys. And like I said, you get one at a low cost. Let's take a look at this app. So, speaker. Hello. Whoa. 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 Bro. Bro. See that? That's crazy. It's working. So we got that though. Whoa. Sounds like a horror movie. You can record it. There you go, I shut it off now. And once you get your SD card, you can always go back. And I believe there's like no plans to purchase, so all you gotta do is use your SD, load it up, do it sideways. Boom. Look at that. That's crazy. Nice camera. So definitely, YouTubers, like I said, when you guys free time, all you gotta do is click on the link down below, check them out, place your order, and they'll ship it fast to you. Boom. Look at that. Alright, YouTubers, be safe. Have a good one. Sorry for a long video. Uh-oh, you can see me. There you go. Have a good one. See ya.